y'all, we're here at South Oak in Foley, Alabama. This community is in an amazing location, less than 10 miles from Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today, we'll be looking at a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look. Come on in. All units feature a spacious living room with this gorgeous plank flooring that leads right into the dining room and the kitchen. Right off the main living space is a coat closet and a laundry room with washer and dryer connections and some extra storage. Outside, there's lots of green space, an outdoor storage closet, and a covered patio. Back inside, you'll find the primary bedroom, which features an ensuite bathroom and a closet. Click the link below to book your tour today.